explain myself. You said you cared for me, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I had to re-film this Smokey eye tutorial. I had filmed this 2 weeks ago, I guess. It was going to be my last video. And when I had been editing the video before that, somehow I think our internet was down and somehow I uploaded this video to iMovie to edit it, and it's the file's not there and everything. And then I went to edit it this past week and it was still saying that, even though it was on my camera, it was in my memory card, our internet was working, everything, it just wasn't showing up. So I'm like, okay, I guess I'll be refilming then. So that's what I did today, and it ended up being okay because I feel like it turned out even a lot better than my first attempt. So anyway, yeah, that's my little rant. So yeah, I'm doing a Smokey eye today. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then you can just keep on watching. Okay, so I already went ahead and did my eyebrows, and primed my face and my lids. And real quick, I just wanted to mention, I used a new brow pencil today. I normally use the Maybelline Total Temptation brow pencil, but I ran out and I wanted to get a new one. And so I'd heard about the Covergirl one, which I think is similar to the Maybelline Precise Micro Brow one, which I love. So I went ahead and picked up this Covergirl Ultra Fine brow pencil. It's like this. It's in soft brown. And oh my goodness, I think my brows look amazing today. So I'm loving this so far. So I just wanted to mention that. Okay, so since this is the second time I'm doing this video, let's hope it turns out even better. I'm going to be using the Soft Glam palette and the Morphe 350 palette. I want to use some of the kind of warm orangey shades from this palette to use as my transition. So we're going to dip into this palette first. I'm just going to go with my Morphe 433 brush. I'll zoom you guys in a little bit. And we're going to go into this shade right here. Next, I'm going to go into the Soft Glam palette and use this shade Burnt Orange. Just add that to the crease. This one has a mirror, so I can actually look straight forward. I still need to rearrange my desk somehow, so I have a surface here. So with these shades, I'm taking them all the way across the lid, but I'm not really bringing them down super far because we're gonna go in darker shades anyway. And you don't have to be super neat, you can be a little messy, just as long as it's blended. Okay, next I'm gonna go into the shade, let's see, I'm gonna go do one more kind of orangey warm shade. I'm gonna go into Sienna. I'm gonna go into my MAC 217 brush, which is pretty much the same brush, honestly. I just wanted a cleaner brush, and go into the shade Cypress Umber. And we're going to focus that on the lid. And I'm kind of using patting motions. And you don't want to take it up too high. That is a mistake that I had made with darker shades, is I'll take it up too high to begin with. And then I try to blend it and it just goes way too high. So you just want to kind of keep it lower, and then you can blend it out. So then I'm going to go back in with my other brush and pick up a little bit of the burnt orange color and just blend it out. Next, I'm grabbing a flatter brush for the black because I really want it to be as pigmented as I can get it. So just going into the black shade Noir. And this is a Morphe brush, but it doesn't have a number, so I'm not sure which one it is. And I'm just packing that shade on as well. I'm really focusing it. on the lid. And we're going to take our MAC 217 brush and blend a little bit. And I'm not picking up any product on this brush. Okay, then taking our Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to take a little bit of sienna, which was the darker, like kind of reddish color. Just going to blend a little more. Yeah, I think one thing that helps a lot is to go in back with those other like transition shades and blend it that way, because that way I just feel like it's just a smoother transition. There's no like kind of gaps or anything, and it just kind of all flows together, which is what you really want for a smoky eye. And you really don't want the black to get up too high, because then it's gonna look like you got punched in the face. You don't want that, so I just want to deepen that black up, so I'm just going to go in with the black a little bit more and just make sure there's no spots that are like more faded. And then just keep kind of going back and forth and blending until you're happy with it. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. Okay, I'm gonna go with some liner real quick and then charge my battery. And I'm using the Inglot gel liner. Okay, I'm gonna go charge my battery. While it's charging, I'm gonna throw on some mascara, lashes, and foundation, and I'll be back. Okay, so I went ahead and did the rest of my eyes. Well, I haven't done the lower lash line, but I did lashes and mascara, and I went ahead and did my foundation, and I contoured with my Fenty contour stick. I just didn't show it because it's what I do like in every video, so I figured I'd just skip over it. This is kind of like this is almost a contour shade, I don't know. It's the one from the NYX 3-Step to Sculpting palette, so I'm just going to use this to kind of bronze up my face more. And I'm just going to take my Morphe fluffy brush. Okay, so we'll go ahead and bake the contour. And for highlighter today, I'm going to go into the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. So I'm just going to spray my brush with some Fix Plus. Just bring it up a little bit. And I am loving how the smoky eye turned out. Like, I think it looks really good. And this highlighter is, oh, I love this highlighter. Such a good one. If you guys have any products that you want me to test out, anything new or just anything in general that you want me to test out, let me know, because I'm always looking for new products to try. Also, on my last video I said I was going to have new brushes, but we had to like renew our PO box. Apparently we have till the 10th to get our check-in. It's the 4th today. I went to the mailbox yesterday to pick them up because it said they were delivered. They locked our box already. I'm like, why is there like a deadline if you're gonna lock it before then anyway? So now I have to be, and it was weekend, so I have to go tomorrow and get them. So they'll be in the next video. I'm so sad. For blush, I'm gonna go into this palette again. It's the Morphe Blush Trio in Pop of Coral. And maybe I should use the shade Unapologetic. It's kind of like a peachy, orangey shade. It's more matte. And I just like to focus the blush like kind of on the apples of my cheeks, and then I'll just kind of blend it back. Okay, so we'll go ahead and finish up the lower lash line. For inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the shade Tempera, and this shade, it looks matte in the pan, but it comes off a little more sparkly, I feel like. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe I'm thinking of that. Oh gosh. I might need to add a little more sparkle. I'm gonna dip into, let's see. We'll go into this shade right here, and these ones don't have names, so. And while we're in this palette, I'll just go ahead and take that first transition shade and just start that on the lower lash line. And going into my soft glam palette, I'm just going to take those same shades and smoke out the lower lash line. Then I'm just going to take my Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil and just line the waterline. And then just popping on a little more mascara. First, let me just wipe away this bake. Then we're going to go into the shade Hover. The makeup, We're going to go into the MAC lip pencil in the shade Hover, which has been my go-to. And then I believe this is the shade I used in my first attempt to do this video. It's the one that I've been using a lot, the Dose of Colors times the Iluvsarahii liquid lipstick in Nude Chica. I'm just going to blend everything out. And spray everything and hope my mascara doesn't transfer. Alright, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I really love how it turned out. I feel like it just blending is the key to smoky eye. If I can say anything, that would be it. Just blend and then blend more. But yeah, I really like how it turned out. I hope you guys did too. If you tried to recreate this smoky eye or any type of smoky eye, let me know. Leave a picture or just let me know. And yeah, if you do have any requests for videos or products I should try in videos, definitely let me know as well. And be sure to follow me on social media. I'll have everything in the description box below, as well as the products that I used in today's video. And with that, I believe that is everything. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!